lovelies, a very beautiful good evening to you and welcome back to the studios of Afia TV. Yesterday, we were team outside. So today, we are back inside. I hope you're able to notice the difference. Yeah, the chair, the other setup, that shows that we are no longer outside. We are inside. It's a beautiful Tuesday evening here in Coast City. And I, for one, I love how the weather is. What's up with you? How did your day go? I hope it was well spent. If this particular Tuesday wasn't well spent, relax. We've got another one coming through next week. So whatever it is that you were unable to achieve this particular Tuesday, you have the opportunity to achieve them next week, Tuesday. You know what time it is. It's time for us to bring you undiluted fun. Bring your favorite celebrities right here on your screen and do everything that has to do with fun. Yes, this is your one-stop show for premium content. And tonight, we are 100% ready to take you on another bumpy ride. My name is Rochelle, and once again, I welcome you back to the show, Nka. We're going to go on a short break. When we come back, the show continues immediately. Stick around. Welcome back. You are still watching Nka right here on Afia TV. We are broadcasting live on DSTV channel 254 and of course on GoTV channel 17. Here on Nka, we bring you nothing but the best. When I mean the best, I mean the best of the best. You all know we have the best of the best. So that is what we always bring your way every weeknight right here on Afia TV by 8 p.m. Like I earlier said that we are very much ready and active for what is to come tonight. So joining us in the building tonight is a refined and extraordinary musical artist all the way from 042. He is popularly known as Raja Betta. Hello. What's up?
Hello.
Hello. Why are you sounding like that? Why did you have to say hello like that?
I'm just enjoying the way you are, speaking out, being so confident with your words and everything.
Are you serious now?
Yeah,
it's just like someone is tripping. How are you doing?
I'm good.
You look so chilled and cool. Like, is it the weather or something?
No, this is where I am.
This is how you are, like every time you're always like this?
Not like always cool, for the meantime.
Oh, so you have the days that you lose your cool and, show everybody, change it for people.
No, these things now.
I like that energy. If you want it cool, we'll give it to you. If you want it, you know that way now. Anyhow you want it, like we're ever ready for it.
I got you.
So this is your second missionary journey here on Nka. Yeah, you've been here, but with a different person. Yeah. So you are back again. So how does it feel, making it back here again?
Yeah, I'm feeling good. Like I'm the only one here now. Yeah, before I came with a friend, like a close friend like that. He's doing music too.
Okay.
So
today you are all alone.
Yeah.
So it feels different. Okay, that's a good one. Let's see if you're going to feel like this from the beginning to the end of the show. So when I heard the name like Raja Betta, I said, Raja Betta, where and where? How did this come about? So tell me, what's your real name and where did you coin Raja Betta from?
My real name is Augustine Ugochukwu.
Okay.
Ilechukwu.
Augustine Ugochukwu Ilechukwu.
Yeah.
Okay. Raja Blee. All right, go ahead.
The name is not related to any of my names.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just from secondary school. Raja have been what they used to address me with. So I said to put it better to make it so...
Oh, Raja. So, but what does Raja actually mean?
King.
King?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, Betta now, like Betta King now.
Yeah,
Raja
like
Betta.
second king.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
I'll start calling you King from now. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be calling you.
I'm good.
So how long have you been making music?
Been long now.
For like decade? Centuries?
8, 9 years now.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a whole lot.
Yeah.
8, 9 years.
Yeah.
So you're not even a newbie in the business. For someone that spent that long time in the music industry.
Yeah, just haven't gotten the platform I want. But yeah, we keep pushing.
Okay. Yeah. I must have to say congratulations on successful release of your debut EP, which you titled Sound from the Other Side. Yeah, I've been thinking, where is the other side? Because I only know of the side of life. I don't know about the other side. And thank gracious God that you are here this evening.
Okay.
So tell us about that. You know, that you call it in abbreviation is SFTOS.
Yeah.
So tell us about SFTOS.
That is sounds from the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah. The name and the reason was, the music is more of drill and Afro.
Okay.
So I'm a piano too. So I decided to give it those side. Drill is part of UK. Enugu does drill too. Yeah. Just decided to give it sounds from the other side. I'm a big fan of Wheezy.
Are you serious now? We've got something in common. Yeah. Hey. FC's for life.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
No problem.
We are rapping our some whiskey. Yeah. Our pappy.
Easy for life. Nothing else. So I decided to entitle the name Size from the Other Side. Yeah.
Okay. So okay, you already told me what inspired you, that you just wanted to do Afrobeat and also drill, which Southeast is well known for. Yeah. Okay, on that EP you have 5 tracks. And out of 5 tracks, Pop Time and 4 p.m. in Ikoyi, you pulled the very 2 heaviest of the heaviest dogs that we have in the Southeast music industry right now. Yeah. The 2 persons I'm talking about, Aguero Banks and Jerick. Yeah. So what did it cost you, for you to drag those 2 persons? Like, what did it cost you to get them hop on that project?
It was very hard for me. Let me start from Jerry.
Okay, let's take it one after the other. Yeah. After telling this person's story, you tell the other person's story. Okay.
It wasn't an easy one.
Okay.
So, I was trying to tell my friends that I have something that I would love to, do with this artist. He said, we can't get this artist. I was looking at the mode. Hey,
okay, I see.
Yeah. So see the ones we can get. And I'm so grateful for that, because that my friend is bigger than me and all that.
You don't want to mention the friend's name?
Everybody should know him.
Who is that friend? Just mention the name.
Official Successful.
Okay.
Yeah. So he was like, okay, we have to move to Lagos, since Jerick is in Lagos. Then. So
yeah.
He got me a flight and we moved there. Did the music and everything.
Wait, everything just happened like this, like smoothly?
Because I told you my guy is a big guy. So
okay. Good. Where will I have a big guy in this life? God, I may go send big guys my way. So I would not even be stressing myself. I'll just say that this is what I want. They just have a way to fix this up and they'll work out smoothly. Yeah. Okay. So that was how you were able to get Jerry Kone. Yeah. Did it come with a price tag?
Yeah, of
course. Like
6M. Yeah.
Wow. That was what he charged you. Yeah. Is that his official rate, or just because of friendships and?
Yeah, it can be friendship.
Okay.
And because the music is cool.
Okay.
Yeah, he's just like, oh, I like it, but we need something, please, for his promotion on his own side and all that things. Yeah. I was like, no problem, but they were debating the price. I wasn't looking there. He was just trying to fix it to my level, that kind of a thing. Okay. Yeah. So we got it. We got it. And I was so happy, including my friend that I want him to be excelling too, Penny.
Yeah, you also had Penny, on 4 p.m. in Ikoyi. Yeah. Okay.
So we have to go together and all that, even though our bag was not. Yeah, but we know who we are going to be around with. So I was so happy, cruising with you, and this thing. The handshake and everything he gave me was a big comfort,
Okay. Did you wash your hand after the handshake?
You, hey.
Tell me.
I was
You
so
didn't
happy.
after
I was so happy. You know what it means if you're passing you blunt, you know?
Okay.
Raja, this your song go bad. Yeah.
Okay. So that's it with the story of Jerick. And
Yeah.
from there, you people also made the
Connected and-
video for the
yeah.
song. Okay. We'll still talk more about the video.
Sure.
But let's talk about Aguero's part. Like,
Yeah.
how did his own part happen?
Okay, Aguero's part is coming from a friend too.
I don't understand. You give me no. I want to know who those your friends are. Because you always have, a friend that comes through at every certain stage for you.
Yeah, you just have to be good, be a good guy, always to your friends.
So that's the code. Just be a good person, and you're going to attract good people around you as well. Okay, that's a great one.
I was like, Chief, you know, High Chief Hugo. Yeah, that is his name. I need Aguero in my song. I'm writing an EP. He said, okay, let me see what I can do. Before you know it, okay, you guys are going to meet up, send him the beats and all that. Before you know it, Oya would have followed me on IG, you know. So it was a big feeling.
I can just feel the joy, like, I don't know. Something, I don't know. Okay, this happened. I don't know when it happened, when you guys recorded. But even till those very moments that you're done producing that track, there's this smile I see on your face when you say it.
Because Pop Time is among the best song for me.
Of
so
the EP?
Far, yeah.
Okay.
I still have other projects coming, but Pop Time is if you hear it, you must move.
Yeah.
Others move, but
I'm still moving. I've been hearing it, I'm still hearing it. I'm still moving at this point. Okay, so we have 5 tracks. Hey, I forgot to ask. So Aguero own, did it come with a prize or it just happened like
Aguero
that? It just said,
brotherhood say things, you know.
Let's just stay. Let's stay.
The song is cool and he's a good guy. Like, I never expected what I'm getting from him, you know. Yeah, he's a very good guy. He just wanted me to sell. He said I have my own type of music.
Okay.
So he gave me all the light. You have to.
So talking about your own type of music, how would you define your sound?
A melody, dream, singer.
Okay, so you mix everything together. You don't just want to be in a box. Like, you want to try this one, try this one.
Yeah,
I give people varieties.
Yeah, I have a special song coming out.
Oh, you also have
for Blackbone's song. So
wait.
A special touch.
Come again. I didn't get that.
Like, I have a banger coming in with a big artist.
With a big artist. Yeah. Just hold on with that news, right? Let's take things one after the other. Let's finish, with your debut EP.
Okay.
Before you go ahead and break that news for us.
I'm so happy
I don't want to choke us with good news here. Take it easy on us.
Okay.
Calm down. So on that EP, we'll have 5 tracks.
Yeah.
So can you walk me through the 5 tracks and, what inspired each and every one of it?
Yeah. The first one, let me start by Japara. I'm not listing it accordingly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Japara was a song I've been, enjoying from the hometown and all that. Call me, I'm available, Yeah. I'm a piano, if you hear it, you go. So, it's just a dancing stuff, a dancing vibe.
Okay.
Whereby the beat and everything, gave me the 100% of all I want to do on it. So it's just on my piano, giving the vibe of happiness and, vibe.
Okay.
That is Japara. Then, sure, they got me feeling lonely.
Yeah, sorry. They served the breakfast.
I fell in love with my money, yeah. So, that one is coming from a heartbreak side, but not really.
Oh my God, who served you breakfast? Tell me who served you breakfast. Let's go and meet that person.
That's very right.
No. You must talk about it. Like, it's also surprising, to hear from a musician that he was served a breakfast. There's this perception we have about you people because of the nature of your career. You always come in contact with so many females. Yeah. So we always feel like you people are not serious with love. So it's quite surprising hearing that you, Raja Betta, a whole king like you, was served breakfast. How did you allow that to happen?
It happens. Anybody can get breakfast.
You want to tell us the story?
We have to skip that part.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
I don't want to open huge wounds. Let me just leave it.
So, sure, they got me feeling lonely. Let me introvert.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the name.
Yeah, the introvert. Are you an introvert?
Yeah.
How are you an introvert?
I'm not an introvert, but I'm an introvert.
Okay, I understand. Your job brings you out, but personally on your own, you just like having your own space, having your own time. Okay, all right, I get that. So we've talked about 3 right now. Remaining 2 pop time and 4 p.m. in Ikoyi.
Yeah. Then let me say it's about the country that inspired the one I did with my producer. Okay. Incredible. Okay. You've been my day one friend and a big producer. He's the one that gingers me. That guy is good. Yeah, he's good. If he should come out in the industry, I'm sure of him. Yeah, very sure. Okay. So he's very good. So we have to grow something, and the economy and everything was hitting everybody. So that was called Dombe. Yeah. It's just about the money and the bad government, fuck all that political promises.
Hey, your words. Okay. Okay.
So
that's just it for the 5 tracks on the EP.
Yeah.
Okay. I saw a recent picture of you at Isut. Was it for the EP promotion or a total event, a different event?
Oh, we had a show there.
Okay.
They called me. What was that? I was invited. I was the main guest artist there.
Okay.
Yeah.
But do you have any plans of embarking on campus tour or doing anything, I don't know, any sort of promotional campaign for the debut EP?
Yeah, it's on plan already.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll be having some shows in the UNN and other campus.
Okay.
Yeah. Exit is one of them, but that one just came. Okay. But it's not the actual one we planned.
Okay.
So.
All right. You earlier gave us a hint about what is to come next from Raja Betta, the king, the Ogbonge king himself. Betta King. So tell me more, please.
Okay.
I love hearing good news.
Yeah, good news. Good news is good news.
Good news is good news. It's very good for the soul and the body.
I swear.
So tell us what's up. Like, what are you up to next?
Okay. Yeah. Is this song I've been waiting to drop, but thank God I've seen somebody that that will give me a what I want, like to put it out to, like, let me say, I've been waiting for this particular song to be with this kind of person. Yes, I have gotten it. So the person who he gave me everything I wanted.
You mentioned his name now. You've mentioned it before. Why are you sounding like...
Yes,
you mentioned the person's name. You want me to mention it again?
Okay.
You mentioned the person's name before. Kukuma finished what you started, Oga.
Blackie.
Yeah.
The boy is gonna deal with it. He messed the shit already.
Oh,
like he murdered it. Yeah.
So when should we be expecting this particular one?
No date yet because the video is not fixed.
Wait, you want to drop the audio and the video together? Oh, okay.
Yeah, for the promotion.
Okay, for the promotion.
Once it drops, people have something to view and to see.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Raja because I'm not yet out like big like him.
Okay.
So I need to be in the video.
Oh, okay. So that's more like a strategy, to pronounce yourself more out there and project yourself very well.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. So you've been in the industry for 8, getting to 9 years. Yeah. How has the journey been for you? What's the experience like?
It's tough. Sometimes you feel like, are you just doing this for people or just what? Because you're not getting paid as you're still going up. Yeah. The little things you attend, you spend by your pocket. So sometimes it's so hard. Sometimes you feel good by people's encouragement and you know how they feel your vibe. Yeah.
So it's just the fans' support that push you going. Yeah. Because the journey itself is a very difficult one.
A very difficult
and
one.
also rocky as well.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's I can relate. And you are still an independent artist.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so do you have any plans of getting signed into any record label? Is anyone we are eyeing?
If Wheezy sign
If
me.
Wheezy sign you, hey!
I'm going straight.
So if you get a call from Whiskey right now and say, "Hey Raja, what's up? What's popping? I want to see you in my studio this evening."
Only the call is enough for me to blow.
You're going like straight up. You don't even need to read the terms, like the T&C of the condition, the contract.
They don't know Wheezy.
They don't know Wheezy
at all.
I just hope it works out for you, though. I hope it works out for you because, sometimes when we speak things into existence, they always come to pass. So I hope this particular one comes through for you. Okay, Raja Blue. We still have lots more to catch up with, to do here on Unka. You've been here before now, so you know all the things. Like nothing will come as a surprise for you anymore. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go on a short break. When we'll come back, it's going to be time for something else. I'm not going to be telling you right now what that thing is. Wait till when we go on the short break and return. You are going to be finding out by yourself what next it is right here on Nka. I still have Raja Betta with me here in the studio. And of course, I'm still your girl, Rochelle. Let's go to short break. We're going to be right back. Welcome back. This, of course, is still Nka. And tonight's edition, we've got Raja Betta with us. He has gisted us a lot about his SF with... Let me get it before I mix it up. Okay, I prefer saying it in full. Sounds from the other side. Yeah, let me not cut my tongue. So he has told us a lot about sounds from the other side and also what is to come. If you are a fan of Raja Betta, you better go dust your speakers and get ready because in no distant time, you know what it means. No, I'm not going to be saying this with my mouth. He has already said it and he's still going to say it again. So you hear from him. So it wouldn't be as if, I'm making this thing up. Yeah. So in no distant time, you are going to have another Bedu come your way. So you all should better go get ready because Raja is not allowing you people to rest in the remaining days of 2024. Are you still feeling cool?
I'm just feeling like Wheezy.
You're feeling like Wheezy? Oh my God, you're such a character. Why are you giving that vibe? Why are you acting like that?
I've been coming things with my friends.
Okay.
Yeah, they are my comfort sometimes.
Okay.
So now I'm alone. I'm just...
Okay, I see. You see, this is just something about the introverted people. They are always inside, always keeping to themselves. Then the day that they manage to open up, it's just something else, like something crazy.
Very, very.
Once you wouldn't know that you're this dramatic, but it's all good. And I also love the fact that you are bringing out this part of you on a day like this. At least your fans will get to see another side of you. Not just that part of Raja always singing, bit serious where he's on the mic in the studio. Okay, there's another fun part of Raja. Like a very chilled guy, very cool guy, nothing much. If you want it peacefully, you give it to them peacefully. Anyhow you want it.
Back to back.
Back to back. Okay, so you are not a new person here. We have a surprise that we always, do here on Nka. I'm sure the other time you were here, you had that, you experienced it. I don't know if you can remember, but we'll have a big surprise and a little surprise. It's just two things mixed together. I don't know how you're going to understand it, but let's just be looking at the screen and see what's going to pop up.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So who's this? Raja the King.
This is my artwork picture. The first one. For the EP.
Okay.
This is the introvert video when I was making it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So pictures for the sounds from the other side EP.
Yeah.
Okay. Please, what about all the things on your wrist? Where are they? You're not wearing it here.
No.
Why?
I'm not even with anybody. I just came with a taxi.
What are you doing? Jesus Christ.
This.
Hey. This was in secondary school?
Yeah.
You went to boarding school or where?
Yeah,
Okay.
seminary.
Oh, you went to seminary school? Wow. So what happened?
I wasn't caught for that.
You weren't caught for that?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
What exactly happened? Okay, now I see. This was what distracted you, Raja. See you. Who is that person holding you?
I think he's here.
Oh, the person is here. Okay, she's behind the scene. We can see her.
Yeah.
Okay, your sister. I see. Chai, wait till the.
Kill them.
Did you ever pose like this? You like what's this pose all about? Oh.
This belong when I was learning plumbing.
Okay. Oh, you've also tried other things out before music.
Yeah.
No be today.
No be today.
You was like did.
Yeah, I was enjoying the shower I made.
Okay. What's this?
This is just our old place like that. So
Okay.
this is our selfie side and all.
Okay. Wow. Chai, look at you.
I can remember when we used to raise clothes here. Just put your clothes like this.
Put like this.
Still say,
Okay. Still with, is she your sister?
Yeah.
Blood sister?
Yes.
Okay. So we've come to the end of that. How did you love it?
I love it.
You did? Okay, at least I got to know some things about you through those pictures. So you ran away from seminary school. You did not leave, but rather you ran away. I can see it in your eyes. You ran away.
I finished.
Okay,
Just
so what happened?
I didn't want to further it. I just wanted to.
Well, what did you see? Like, what made you to have a change of mind? Because you can't just embark on that kind of journey and wake up in the morning and say, I'm done with this thing. Like, I'm no longer interested. Something, something must have happened. What happened?
Let me not say it's because of women, because they don't marry. And I want to do my music.
Okay, you wanted to do your music. And you felt continue with the priesthood would have been a hindrance.
That is not the kind of music you do there.
Okay, that's not the kind of music you do there. Yeah. So you now came out to do worldly music. You left the things of the Lord to come and do worldly things, right?
The Lord will be with us.
Jesus is watching you.
He's the Lord's talent, so he's going to be with us.
Okay, I don't know if we should go on another break. No, let's just continue. Yeah, let's continue. So it's time for us to play games.
Okay.
I hope you love playing games.
I'm not too smart in games.
You're not too smart. Don't worry. I have very easy games for you.
Okay.
Yeah, so you don't need to stress yourself that much. Okay. All you need to do is just to sit and relax like a king that you are, and then we will just play the game.
Okay.
Without stress. So we're going to be starting off with the rating games. On the rating game, so I give you names of people that are in your industry. So you rate them from best to worst. Do not preach for me. Do not tell me, this person, he's great. He's a GOAT. Don't give me all those, those sermons. I don't need them. So you tell me categorically who your best is and who your worst is. Are we very clear on this, Raja?
Yeah.
No, look at me and tell me, are we clear? Look at me and tell me.
I'm still thinking who is going to be my worst.
I haven't called names yet, so that's chill. So you're going to be rating this artist from best to worst.
Okay.
Number 1, I've got Hugo P. Number 2, Aguero Banks. Number 3, Jerry. Yeah, and number 4, Quincy. That's the tight one.
It's not really tight.
So we'll have Hugo P, Aguero Banks, Jerick, and Quincy. So let me know who is your best, who is your worst.
My best. let me not lie, it's Quincy.
Quincy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's from my side even. I feel his charm. Not like I'm trying to praise him or what, but I feel him.
Okay.
Oh, wow, man, you know? Then, let me not call my worst.
No, you have to go. You mentioned it was. You're going to do that on this show. You will do it. You started it. You better finish what you started. So we have our best down. So the seat is not too hot for someone.
Hugo P.
Hugo P. Okay, so we have it. Quincy best. Hugo P.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's what? Excuse me.
No, I feel his song about not like.
No, we are playing a game. Do not take it personal.
Okay.
You get? Because this person's, at least I know of two that have been here. They also played the same game as well. So it's just a game. Yeah, so don't take it personal.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Hugo.
So
I was.
Yeah, okay, that's good. I wanted to say it. And you've done the Lord's work.
Okay.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Bless your
but
soul
next
for
time
doing-
you say it.
Let's wait till next time. Okay, so the next game we're going to be playing is the this or that game. So the only rule here is that your response comes in as fast as possible. When I mean as fast as possible, I mean as prompt as possible.
Sure.
You know, I asked you the other time when we saw that particular picture that you took for your debut EP, you know, those things on your wrist where they are. You said you did not go. In fact, that you even came here with a taxi. It's good as you said it that way, because if you fail, let me just clear my throat. Because some persons are going to be coming here to bail you out tonight. We're going to lock you up somewhere. Okay, so let's get to know some things you like. It's called a this or that game.
Okay.
Now, best place to live in the East, enugu Owerri.
Enugu.
Egusi Onugbo.
Egusi.
Abacha pizza.
Abacha.
Suit or traditional.
Sit.
Clubbing or sleeping.
Clubbing.
Call or text.
Sleeping.
Call or text.
Test.
Mid 30 women or mid 40 women.
40 women.
Okay, light skinned women or dark skinned women.
Dark skin women.
I love that one. Loyalty or respect.
I love dark women, not because you're here.
Okay. Oh, not because I'm here.
Yeah.
You're not trying to make me feel bad. Anyways, I am moved though. So loyalty or respect?
Respect.
Respect. Chicken or goat's meat?
Goat's meat.
Egusi or bono?
Egusi.
Fufu or amala?
Fufu.
Moi moi or akara?
Akara.
Puff puff or buns?
Buns.
Fried rice or jollof rice?
Jollof.
Asun or nkwobi?
Nkwobi.
Okay, you did absolutely well. A round of applause for you. Clap for yourself. You're a good boy. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Okay. So now this is the last game on the show today. So let me ask, who is your favorite performer? Whether a musician, an actor, or a comedian? Who is that?
Whiskey.
Wizkid. Wizkid. You mean Popsy, right?
I mean Popsy.
Popsy. Okay. So this is what you're going to be doing for us. In not less than 30 seconds, you are going to be mimicking Wizkid. Like, you're going to act like him. Either you sing like him, or you talk like him, or I don't know, but whatever it is, we just want a Wizkid vibe, at least for 30 seconds. Let's see whether you're going to give us a show or not.
You know? Stay blessed. One love. Just stay blessed. That is all I have to say. You know?
He just spoke like Wizkid. He doesn't say much. He doesn't say much. He will just say, is it Jesus is King, right?
Exactly.
Just like that. Jesus is King.
Wizzy don't need stress.
No stress, nothing. Just say it and move on with his life. So you don't want to do like sing any of his songs?
Hi.
What's even your favorite, your favorite song of Wizkid?
Yeah. Who's gonna know?
Who's gonna know? Okay. Can you sing it? Even if it's the chorus for us.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Who's gonna know at the end of the day that I'm yours for the night? Only you, baby, oh. Turn me on, I'm yours. Please, don't make me feel shy here. I'm just trying to no. But Wheezy is Wheezy.
Yeah, Wheezy is Wheezy. Your 001.
I so much love him.
Yeah. I try. Now, wow, sorry. Thank you very much, Raja Betta, for coming here on the show tonight. So, do you have any word for your fans? I learned that they are watching you. Do you have any words for them before we go?
Stay blessed. Do what you like.
Okay. Please, as you do what it's like, you better don't do the one that will land you in trouble. I have to specify it. Don't go and buy trouble or problem that is bigger than
trouble,
you.
Please, but do what you like. Know the right one to do. You know?
Yeah, that's the right message. Know the right one to do. So, what are your social media handles?
Raja Betta Ayo.
Okay.
Raja _ Betta _ Ayo.
Ayo. Spell the Ayo.
I-A-U.
I-A-U.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and do not also forget that Raja has got something coming through. He hasn't told us when, but you can just do well to follow him on his socials so you will know when exactly that thing with that big person is coming through. Meanwhile, the WEP is still out there. So go out there and do the Lord's work. You know what I mean by doing the Lord's work? Like run up the numbers. Let's do something for the sounds from the other side. Once again, thank you very much for coming on, Nka.
Thank you too.
It's a pleasure to have you for the second time. Hopefully we'll have you for the third time, the fourth time, the fifth time. till 10th time. Hopefully.
I'm pleased to be here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. This is what we're going to be wrapping it up on the show tonight. Thank you very much for joining us once again on Nka. Tomorrow is definitely going to be another day, and trust us, we're coming through with another banger. Yeah, you heard me correctly. So tomorrow we're going to be coming through with another banger. So make sure you join us by 8 p.m. My name is Rochelle. For now, let's just say good night. Yeah, see you tomorrow. We'll do this again.